Welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Looking at British pound Japanese yen in hindsight, there was some sell opportunity here that would have been taken anywhere below this zone. Okay, looking at it in hindsight, sell opportunity here, stop loss anywhere above this level. For price to dip to anywhere, perhaps this level, this lower limit of this level. Um, This just looking at it, I will consider this a part of the post analysis. Okay. However, if you look at it for today, there's nothing. DJ is just perambulating. Going to the daily time frame, you see what I mean. You see, a price closed exactly at this support, exactly, not lower than it. Okay, exactly on it. That is an indication that if today's candle closes bullish, it has created support for price to do what? Rally. Okay, not rallying to the top, no one can be sure of that, but at least retesting of this upper limit of the zone. Then if it breaks out of it, then we can anticipate price to do what? Continue upwards. So this is what we can look for. Let's say if we get candle like this, closing right at this point, then we can anticipate the next candle to do what? Mirror like this to come down. This is a bearish candle. This is a bullish candle. Mirror like this, then the next candle can continue like this, so that we're going to have an inverse V for this thing, an M formation or inverse. Okay, this is the head and shoulder pattern. We'll have something like this. Okay, where these are the what? Shoulders, and this is the head. Shoulder and what? Head. Assuming that price will do what? Create this head and shoulder pattern. So this is exactly what I'm looking at on British pound Japanese yen on the daily time frame. You know, one of the toughest things about trading is knowing when not to trade, knowing when not to pull the trigger. And this is a very good example training on just observing. Let price do what it wants to do. Remember yesterday I was like, okay, price could go up or price could do what? Come down. Give us that setup for us to trade. As you can see, price breached bearishly, okay, gave the setup, however, has retested the low. Remember, our what we envisioned yesterday was for price to give us the bearish or bullish setup, give us the retracement, and today we're going to look for what? Retest of the low that was made. And as you can see, the low has been retested. On the daily time frame, price closed above the support. So everything is just saying that we should just take a chill pill. So for today, I'm not going to touch British pound Japanese yen. Okay. With that being said, let's look at gold. Gold has been acting beautifully. So if you are a trader, just trade solely gold, you would have been getting some serious moves. Like for now, gold has given this bearish setup. We want to see some retracement, then perhaps retest of this low. If price continues downwards, good. So this is what I'm looking at. For yesterday, there was not much thing to be done on gold. Anyone who try to trade inside of this range, this is a no trade range or no trading range. Anyone who tried to trade inside of this, I'm sure was fleeced both up and down. However, the odds are in favor of sellers. Like we said, we're in sellers territory. The odds are in favor of sellers. So if you get a bearish breach like this candle, This was an indication that price wants to do what? Continue downwards. But what time did this occur? Oh, this was even after London closed. So this was not a trade for London and New York traders. Okay, so for Bitcoin, for gold, it's another opportunity to just see if price can give us retracement, then retest the low. If not for that, we take a chill pill as well. Okay, um, nothing much happened yesterday on gold. It's just perhaps this bearish breach that occurred after London close. Okay, for Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been just holding here. As you can see, Bitcoin has been holding in this daily demand zone. That does not mean that we should just be taking sales. Okay, we should wait for price to do what? Give us a clear structure. So if you look at this very well, look at this very well, I am seeing something here. And what I'm seeing here is that the sellers are showing sign of weakness. The sellers are showing sign of weakness. If we are gauging momentum, okay, the sellers are showing sign of weakness against the momentum of the buyers. So what I'm going to do at the moment is there is a there there's potential buy if price does what? Bullishly takes out this high. There's potential buy for price to do what? Continue upwards. And everything to the left here is clean traffic. So if price starts pumping upwards, we will anticipate what happened at the bottom here to replay, in the sense whereby most times you don't miss any move. Like this move coming down, you didn't miss it because once price starts going up, it does what? Mirror this traffic to the left. A good example is this one here. This. Once price starts going up, like if price starts coming down, it mirrors it. So you don't actually miss any move. What the move that is there would always be there. The only thing that could be missed or misread is the way you do what? You read the candles. If not, there are no moves that are actually missed. Okay, it's just reading of the candles that perhaps were misread. So what I'm trying to say is this: for Bitcoin, just wait to see if we can get price to do what? Come up. If price does bearishly takes out this demand zone, we anticipate price to do what? Drop. Okay. Nothing much today. Let's see what price will do. This week has just rolled through. I don't think I have captured anything yet. Okay. Do well to subscribe, hit that notification button so that you'll be informed and duly notified when a new video is uploaded. For when you click the notification, click the all option so that you'll be notified of all uploads. Comment. The last but not the least is like. This is what I got for you for today. All the best. Peace. Baraka Bashar.